Alright, so we got my friend's newer F250 in here. We're gonna replace this driver's side headlight here, mainly because it's just not doing the blinking effect it should be. Or like on this one, it does like it fades from the amber lights. It'll like fade in and out for the blinker. This one's not working. We already got the new one in the box, so we'll get it replaced. Just a quick overview on how to do it. It's not hard at all. All you're gonna do is all these little pop clips. So like there's one there, and then just you'll look for them all the way through for this top piece. And then you can take off this little air duct right here, pop that off. After that, that'll expose the top piece. And then for the grill side of things, there's gonna be this, you can see the outline of it. You just move that out. It more slides out than pops out, so slide it over on the edge there. There'll be a nut there. Same thing on the other side, slide it out. There'll be a nut there. And then I'll show you more once I get this piece off. Now that we got that top piece off, you can see a lot better. Here's the piece for the grill. You see the bolts for it. So one there, and then those two, that one, those two, that one, those two right there. Also, there's a couple hidden ones. So right in here, yep. So right where my finger's at, there's that one there, and then on this side, right there. Take those, and then once you take that cover piece off, here's right there and right there, and then just pop it out. It's held in with a bunch of push clips, so kind of use a little bit of force to pop her out there. And then if depending on your model, it can have like some connectors if you have like a glowing emblem or some sensors up front, stuff like that. So just be mindful of that and unplug those sensors if yours comes equipped with it. And then that's how you get the grill out. Alright, since you got the grill off, you got all those unbolted. Now you need to drop the bumper, so we'll need to take off this black trim piece here. Super simple. This little clips right here, you just pop those off. Some on the bottom right there, all the way, just pop those off, and then it just pulls out. It's not hard at all. And then once it pulls out, you'll be able to unbolt the bumper, or loosen it up anyways. Alright, now that you got the grill off, headlights are really easy to do. There's one right there, and then the tricky one, which is like a hidden bolt on the side, it's under here, and it's that one right there. And to get to this one, you actually got to drop the bumper, and to do that, you'll take off, once you get that trim piece off, there's four, so there's those two, those two, those two, those two, and then on each side and by the fender well, you got this one there, that one there. Once you lower it, it'll drop it down. You can get to that bolt and get it out. And then unbolt the headlight and swap in the new one. And also those two right there, that'll loosen up the bumper. So under the fender wear, there's those two and these two. And then you can just drop the bumper down, and that gives you all the access you need. Alright, now they're both working. Both got the cool little turn signal effect working like it should. All good to go, just got to put it back together. All back together, and it looks awesome now. Alright, that was the video. If y'all could just like the video is all I ask. That's greatly appreciated. Thank y'all.